So hey everyone, we are live from Project Style India and Patrick Joseph Photography premises. So look what I have here. I want you guys to start guessing what's going on. There's gonna be a video. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna document the whole process. So look who we have here.
Hi.
What do you have there?
Christmas.
Obviously. We are Christmas tree decorating. Yes, it's up and you're gonna see how it's gonna look, but I wanted to show you guys what's going on today in our house. And Lorraine is taking out the decor right now. We have so much to do, so this is going to be a really long video. How do you like my t-shirt, guys? Yeah, really Christmassy. I am so pumped. As we always, I think, are like always pumped during Christmas time, the holiday season. Can't wait to show you guys the whole video of decorating the home. So we just got started. So Lorraine is looking so cool in her red pants. Everyone's in red actually except me, but yes, of course, I've got on this really nice Christmassy t-shirt. I am actually gonna do an unboxing video of all our Christmas deco. So as you can see, there's like a whole lot, but I'm not gonna walk you through everything because that would be a crazy long video. I'm just gonna walk you through some very interesting, some of my most loved pieces. And yeah, so keep watching. As you can see, Zach in the background, busy helping with unboxing. I am going to hand over the camera to my dad now, and we're going to do some unboxing of, say hi.
Hi.
Of Christmas deco. Alright, so come closer now. Let's start with the most fun piece. Okay, let's show this. This is Zach's favorite. So we start with Santa. Santa, okay, so Zach's gonna turn on the switch, right? How cool is this? How cute and pretty is this? What is it? So this is a dancing Santa. I'm gonna turn that off. I have a lot of Santas, by the way. Crazy load of Santas. So this is one more. It's like it's got like sand. It has a bell. Then these snowmen, which are like with these dangly legs. I love them, and you can like put them on a shelf. So I have two of them. The other one. So yeah, two snowmen, lots of snowmen. So yeah, that's what the deco looks like. I'm just going to show you some of the most fun and favorite pieces. Let's move on to reindeers. This is one of them. It's a velvet red and gold reindeer. I have a green one as well. So here's a green one. Then we have this silver metal one. We have this gold metal one. So we what I do is I put this gold and the silver one, which is this one, on the sideboard. So it looks really nice. So yeah, those are the reindeer collection. I've shown you the snowman. I've shown you the Santa collection, most of it. There's more Santas to come. Again, another hanging piece. One of my favorites is this one. So I generally put this up on the door along with the wreath, the holly wreath. Yeah, there are three of them. Okay, more. Let's see what else we have here. So that's one. Oh, then this is one of my favorites. It has light inside, but I think it's not, the battery's kind of over because it was working all through last Christmas. Then I have this one from Archie's. It's a little house. This also has a light, and turn it on, and there you go. Okay, Zach snatched that from my hand. And of course, my favorite, these little dangly ceramic Santas. Okay, I usually put them up on the shelf. So yeah, here you go, Zach. Zach's helping in keeping everything away.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. All right, let's look at what else do we have here. Oh, there's one more. Here you go, Zach.
Papa, see, the more so many.
How many are there? Count them.
So now I think it's mostly these porcelain and ceramic figurines, Christmas figurines that I love, and I put up on the shelf, on the mantle, on the sideboard. So yeah, winter wonderland theme on the sleigh. Then to match that, that's a set. I have also this winter wonderland theme. I have this amazing light ornament which our darling friend Marcelo gifted us. So this also has a light. I don't think you can see the light. Yeah, it's busted, but that's really pretty as well. There you go. Let's move on. Oh, there's one more. I said I have 6, so I have 5, I think. Little cute angel. I usually keep this angel near my crib. And I have another ceramic angel. These are raisin figurines. It's an angel. So these go up on the shelves. It's really pretty. Oh, Zach settled it there. How cute. How cute are these Santas? As I said, I have a lot of Santas. So this is a Christmas globe Santa, which is again so pretty, right? Look at this piece. Yeah, so this is a lovely winter wonderland themed house with a snowman, and the best part about this is this also has a switch that you can turn on at the back. I hope it works. Let me see if it's working. I'm going to show you. Oh, there we go. I'm lucky. So look at that. You turn on the switch, the lights come on, and the snowman rotates in front of the house. How sweet is this? Isn't this so cool? This one, which is another Santa. And it is so pretty, right? So, yeah, that is, a set. Tea light holders. Yeah, so we have 3 of them. One that says Santa's Workshop, 2, and then there's another one. Oh, see, I was right. I have 6 of these. Yeah. Okay, this is again another very, very precious piece. This kind of belongs to this set with the angel. Yep. So, put that down. And I think we're pretty much done with this box. So this, and then these ones that you can hang, they're really cute, so pretty. It's a Santa. And again, these have like a switch which you can turn on and the light comes on. But as I said, the battery is busted because it was lighting all last Christmas. So I've got to replace the battery. So there's 3. Zach's holding 2. So we have, show me that, Zach. Oh yeah, look at this. How pretty is this? The Holy Family. Oh, he managed to put the light on. He says, see, Mama. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. So look at this. How pretty does this look, guys? It's the Holy Family with the little light inside. And yeah, we have 3 of them. 1 snowman, 1 Santa, and the Holy Family. That's 1 set. Show you another piece, which is like this cute reindeer that you can hang again from a hook. I gotta show you these. These I got from the US. They are really, really cute. So there are like loads of them. It's a string of them actually, as you can see. So what I do is I generally... So these are all elves. These are girl and boy elves. And I put them on this, you know, like this string, and I hang them on the wall. How cute are these? So these are the boy elves and these are the girl elves. And I'm gonna show Zach's actually hung up these things on his horse here, but these are some wooden wordings, Christmassy wooden wall hangings, or you can hang them on the door. I usually hang them on the sides of both my kitchen doors. This is one, and so the red cardinal, because that is again the Christmassy theme. I also have this one, this reindeer, which goes out of the house, hanging outside the door again. Okay, oh, these are my 2 favorite pieces. I've got to show you this. The Christmassy carousel, and again this is like can be wound up, so I have to turn this around. And there you go. So this is like a DIY. I made this myself, guys, which is be merry. It says be merry. Did I hold this? So I'm just gonna tell you how I made this quickly. So it's just a very simple MDF board, and you get these wordings at Itsy Bitsy. So yeah, I just stuck it on, and this is like a wooden cardboard roll, which I've covered with some burlap ribbon and like this tulle, gold tulle, and some little deco and so on. And the best part about it is I also fixed these batteries with the basically this is like these battery LEDs. So I don't think they'll work now, but we have to replace the batteries, and then the lights come on, so these lights have to be replaced as well. But yeah, that I hang up on the wall at the entrance. So yeah, that is one. And I think we're done. There's way too much, so I can't walk you through everything, but I'm just going to show you you know, the kind of stockings we have. Loads of them going up. It's a stocking collection. Small ones. And then we have like these big elves as well, like these soft toy elves. So we kind of put this up on the shelf, and yeah, that's the tree. Finally, that's what it looks like, and that's what my house looks like right now, with deco all over. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will show you the final product very soon, where everything is put up, and I'm super excited to do that. So I hope you guys like it as well. Wishing you all a very happy, a very Merry Christmas and holiday season in advance. God bless you. Be blessed and be happy, be kind, and stay stylish. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned to all the stories and videos that are going to come up this Christmas season. Say bye, Zach.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy holiday season. Cheers. Ta-da.